going to talk a little bit about what employment mediation is. So mediation in the employment law context can be a number of different things. If you're dealing with mediation before you go into litigation, it's very different from dealing with mediation at the beginning of the discovery period or mediation at the pre-trial period or before summary judgment. So before we go into what the different mediations and different pressures and contexts that are involved, what is mediation? Essentially, you're going to sit down with the opposing party or a representative for the opposing party, if the opposing party happens to be a big company, and you're going to try and hash things out. You're going to select a third party that's been trained as a mediator. They have experience as a litigator, and they can help navigate some of the law. They're not going to be partial. They're going to be impartial. They're going to give you their honest opinion based upon the facts and circumstances as communicated to them by your attorney or yourself or the opposing party. And they're going to take a look at what other people with your legal issue have run into, what your case is worth. They're going to give you some honest feedback. And you may not like that honest feedback. But a lot of times they're going to be in a better position than probably anyone but your attorney to give you kind of a good lowdown on where your case is. So if you walk in there thinking you got $1 million case and the mediator says I'd take 10,000, you got to figure out what's going on. Just kind of be aware that they are paid there no matter what. So they don't make any money by getting you to settle or accept less. They're there to be impartial. Now, when we go through the litigation process, if discovery's already occurred and we're facing a motion for summary judgment, whether it's going to be done by the plaintiff or the defendant, there's different positions that parties are going to be in, and I'm going to go into that in a little more detail. But this is just a quick video that I wanted to post on mediation and what that looks like. Mediation can last anywhere from 10 minutes. I've had 10-minute mediations where we basically walked out because it was court ordered. And I've had mediations where we were there for 6 or 7 hours and we hashed out everything all the way up to and including the specific settlement agreement, the terms, the specific language, and it really varies based upon the parties. Sometimes it's good to do mediation before discovery, before we spend money, because if you spend money, somebody's got to pay it on the back end. And a lot of times that can impact how much you're going to make at the end of the day. So we're not in litigation to make money for, quite frankly, the attorney, or to make money, quite frankly, for the court reporter for depositions, the court reporting company. We're there to make the parties reach a settlement that both can like. So you guys have a great day. It was a pleasure speaking with you, and I'll be back with more kind of comments and items to discuss. Thanks, guys.